Choose durable, low-maintenance exterior trim materials now to cut repainting and rot work for the life of your new home. For new home construction upgrades, choose fiber cement trim when you need dimensional stability plus paintable finish because it resists moisture, insects, and fungal decay while accepting standard exterior primers and top coats. Install with corrosion-resistant fasteners and pre-drill to avoid cracking at screw points and leave a small gap at ends for thermal expansion. Use cellular polyvinyl chloride trim or engineered composite boards where you want zero rot and minimal upkeep since they do not absorb water and can be routed and scribed like wood. Seal cut edges with manufacturer-recommended sealant and allow for expansion by leaving a short, visually concealed expansion gap at long runs. Consider aluminum cladding over wood for areas that require the look and strength of wood, but with a metal skin that sheds water and resists ultraviolet breakdown. Ensure the cladding system has weep paths and back-ventilated cavities to prevent trapped moisture. Specify stainless steel or hot-dipped galvanized fasteners for any exterior trim to avoid staining and corrosion that undermine paint and joinery. Where possible, use mechanical fasteners combined with construction adhesive in hidden joints to improve load, transfer, and water resistance. Detail every joint with proper flashing and a high-quality exterior caulk designed for dynamic movement and ultraviolet exposure. Flash under trims at water-shedding locations and always lap materials to direct water outward. Paint or top coat with premium exterior coatings matched to the substrate. Apply a primer system recommended by the trim manufacturer. Backbrush or backroll edges to ensure full film build, and plan a maintenance inspection every 2 years to touch up fastener heads and caulk lines before small defects become rot. Common mistakes include fastening without corrosion-resistant screws, which leads to staining and failure, so always use stainless steel fasteners and follow specified spacing and pre-drill requirements. Another is ignoring thermal movement, which causes buckling and joint failure. So include expansion gaps and use flexible sealants rated for the anticipated movement. A third frequent issue is poor flashing and sealant detailing that allows water intrusion. So always detail step flashing where trim meets siding, slope sill areas to shed water, and choose a paint and caulk system from the same manufacturer when possible so system compatibility reduces adhesion failures. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and provide project guidance tied to exterior trim upgrades, and we host a discussion community where members trade real-world installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations. We help contractors find work from homeowners, planning these upgrades, and give homeowners a place to ask questions and share photos for peer feedback.